Guys, back with another video. It's your boy Henry, and first time I've ever said that, and another typical day here. It was cold for the last 2 days, which was pretty weird because it's like about it's almost the end of August, so that was pretty weird, but I just wanted to make a video. I don't really know why, but I just kind of felt it. And I know this isn't really the best video. And here's my dog Tuffy. If I can get him in the camera, there he is. Tuffy, say hello to YouTube. And he is more of a napping dog for some. Sleeps all the time. I'm just gonna put this blanket on him really quickly. Blanket, watch. See his head in there. But yeah. If you guys want to see some Save the World gameplay, I'm not really into Battle Royale anymore. I just kind of got sick of it because if you die, there's no respawn. I kind of like those games where you actually will probably win if you have the skill. You can do that in Battle Royale, but you can't win forever, which is if you guys think I'm crazy for that, I used to be in love with that game. I used to freak out when my friends were on playing Playground Mode. I was crazy about it. And, yeah, I also, made this slime. It's glow in the dark. So, let me just show you guys it. A little sticky since I haven't played with it in a while, but there it is for you guys. Got some golden flakes in there, as you can see. I was school shopping and I saw this with my mom, and I also saw this glitter. Oh, sorry, spilled a little bit there, but saw this glitter, and I asked her, and she said yeah, and it's glow in the dark. Didn't add any food coloring to get this color. If you guys want me to do some slime videos, I don't know if I've shown you this one. This one is from my mom. She likes slime. Way overactivated. I could hold my hand in this for 5 hours and I wouldn't get it stuck, which most people know when they're overactivated. And I also have this slime, which is about a month old. Probably is about a month. I got the foam beads in there. And for this slime, I'm gonna get some fishbowl beads and some Daiso clay, and it's gonna be my really good slime, my best slime probably. I'm not a big slimer. I've made 5 batches of slime before, maybe a little more, but yeah, and pretty awesome slime for me anyway. I'm not like anyone that has close to 1 million subscribers. You know that they have good slime, and that's not me. And hope you guys have a good day. Subscribe, hit the bell icon so you never miss one of my videos. Go check out Evan's YouTube. You might have seen them in some of my other videos. I don't know if you have. I need to post this one video, and I'm gonna do that probably today. So 2 posts today, and I hope you guys have a great day. And like all my videos, please. That would be awesome. That would be just great, I guess. And see you guys.